So friends, let's see this delicious and very easy to prepare pineapple sheera. So you can follow the steps and make it with me. So let's go through the ingredients. Here I have 1 cup of very fine semolina or rava. It's easily available in stores. If you don't have this, then you can grind the thick or the medium rava in a mixer jar till you get a fine consistency. This is 1 cup of fresh pineapple cut into small cubes, 1 cup of sugar, 2.5 cups of water, 3/4 of a cup of clarified butter or ghee, a few strands of kesar or saffron, and some orange food color, just a pinch, but this is completely optional. Now, I've not put the heat on or the flame on, but I'm adding the sugar and the water to a vessel. And now I'm going to put the heat on or the flame on, and we're going to stir the sugar till it completely dissolves in the water. Now keep your flame between low and medium and stir till the sugar is almost dissolved. So you can see that the sugar is almost dissolved. Now we're going to add all of the pineapple into this syrup. We're going to give it a gentle stir. And now I'm going to add a few strands of saffron. And I'm also going to add this pinch of orange color. Now you can also use yellow color. I like this bright orange color. And alternatively, you can also use some gel color, food color, if you don't have the powder form. And now mix everything together and let it come to a boil on a low to medium flame. So while that is happening, I've taken a large kadai or a pot and I'm going to add the ghee to this. Now I've melted the ghee in my microwave. It's easier to work and it heats up faster. Now once the ghee is nice and hot on a low to medium flame, I'm going to add the semolina. Now you can see I'm pouring it right into the ghee and not into the sides. And now I'm going to fry the semolina on a medium flame, stirring continuously till I get the aroma of the rava or the semolina, or at least for 5 whole minutes. Now this step is very important to get the perfect sheera. So keep stirring this for about 5 minutes on a low to medium flame. You can put a timer on your watch or your phone. This will make it the sheera really light and nice. So now you can see that the sugar syrup is nice and boiled. So you can turn off the heat. Now bring all of this rava or semolina to the center of the pan. And now pour this liquid. Now be very careful because it's piping hot. So stand away from the flame and pour a little at a time. And now you can pour the whole thing. And do not stir this at all, but just cover it with a lid and cook it on a medium flame for a whole 2 minutes. Now we're going to open this only when you see that all of the liquid has evaporated, and then give it a gentle stir. And now you can stir everything and bring it all together. So the liquid has all evaporated, but it's nice and moist and fluffy. So stir it well. And you'll find that the mixture starts to leave the sides of the pan. And now we're going to cover and cook this on a very low flame for another 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, again give it a very gentle stir. Bring everything together. And again we're going to cover and cook this for about 1 minute, again on a very low flame. After 1 minute, just turn off the heat and let it rest. Let the residue heat cook the sheera a little further for about a minute. And now our sheera is all ready. So just stir it one last time, scrape off the sides. In fact, that is the most yummiest part because it's nice and crunchy or crispy a little bit. So it's a mixture of soft and crispy. And now you will get the beautiful pineapple aroma. So no need of adding any artificial essence. And our delicious pineapple sheera is all ready. Can't wait to dig in. Now I'm going to show you how I like to serve it. So here I've taken a small bowl, preferably a glass or a steel bowl. I'm going to fill it up to the brim. And then I'm going to press it down like this. You can also apply a little bit of ghee to the bowl. And then you're just going to invert the bowl into whatever serving dish you wish to serve it in. And then it comes off very easily. And then I just like to garnish it with one of the pineapple pieces from the sheera because it's cooked so well. Press it down a bit. You can also put some cashew nuts or whatever, and a little mint leaf just to give it that little bit of green. And there it is, our lovely pineapple sheera. Let's dig in and enjoy. So friends, make this recipe as soon as you can get your hand on some fresh pineapple and let me know how it turns out.
Recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.